Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, let us solve this question. So we have 2 raised to power root t is equal to 8 raised to power t. And here, what to solve for the value of t. So t is equal to question mark. Now to do this, solution. So we have 2 raised to power root t is equal to 8 raised to power t. Now looking at this right here, 2 which is the base, and 8 here also, which is also the base. Now we are going to apply a trick and we're going to express 8 in the form of 2. Now don't forget that 8 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 2 raised to power 3, right? So that means that in the place of 8, we'll bring in 2 raised to power 3. So with this, we have it as 2 raised to power root t is equal to, instead of 8, we now have 2 raised to power 3, then all raised to power t. Now we have the same base, which was the initial plan we wanted to achieve. Now with this, we can then apply this rule that if you have a raised to power b, right, all raised to power c, this equals a raised to power b times c. So applying this rule right here, what we then have is this. Okay, we have 2 raised to power root t is equal to 2 raised to power 3 times t is 3t. So also applying this rule that if you have a raised to power b equals to a raised to power c, since they have the same basis, simply compare the exponents. So b is equal to c. Now looking at this also, we have the same base, so simply compare the exponents. Shows that what we have is root t is equal to 3t. Okay, so from here, let us eliminate the square root from here by squaring the both sides of the equation. So in brackets, root t all squared is equal to, in bracket, 3t all squared. So from here, square cancel square root, we have t is equal to, in bracket, 3t all squared. So applying this rule that if you have, in bracket, ab all raised to power 2, this equals a squared times b squared. Applying this right here, the value of t is equal to 3 squared times t squared. So from here, t is equal to 3 squared is 9 times t squared. From here, t is equal to 9 times t squared is 9t squared. So the next thing for us to do is to move this t over to this side, so that here becomes 0 is equal to 9t squared minus t. Now on doing this, okay, this can be rearranged as 9t squared minus t is equal to 0. And from here, we have a common factor, which is t. So factorize out t into bracket. If we divide 90 squared by t, what we have is 9t, then minus, if we divide t with t, we have 1 is all equal to 0. Now at this junction, we can equate t is equal to 0, or 90 minus 1 is equal to 0. From here, we have gotten the first value of t. T1 is equal to 0. Okay, let us then get the other value of t from this other linear equation. So we have 90 minus 1 is equal to 0. Move minus 1 over to this side. This becomes 90 is equal to 0 plus 1. And from here, 90 is equal to 1. So then, divide both sides by 9 over 9. 9 divide 9. The value of t is equal to 1 over 9. So with this, we have gotten the second value of t, which equals 1 over 9. Good. Now let us then check if these two solutions are the correct solutions that satisfy the given equation. So we have the equation. The equation is 2 raised to power 2 root t is equal to 8 raised to power t. And the first value of t is equal to 0. Second value of t is equal to 1 over 9. So let us check this out. Check. From here, let's start with the first value of t. T1 equals to 0. So inputting the value of t as 0, so 2 raised to power root t becomes 0, equals to 8 raised to power t becomes 0. So with this equal each other, question mark. From here, what we have is this, that 2 raised to power root 0 is 0, equals to a raised to power 0. With this equal question mark. Now 2 raised to power 0 is 1, which equals 8 raised to the power 0 is also 1. So this means that the value of t1 that we got as 0 is the correct solution. Now don't forget that if you raise 0 to the power of 0, this is not equal to 1. But if you raise a raised to the power 0, this equals 1. B raised to the power 0, this equals 1. Okay, aside from 0, it is not equal to 1. Now we have confirmed for the first value of t. Okay, now for the second value of t, which equals 1 over 9, let us check that out. So for t2, which equals 1 over 9, the question is 2 raised to power root t is equal to 8 raised to power t. So in putting the value of t as 1 over 9, this becomes 2 raised to power root t is 1 over 9, okay, is equal to 8 raised to power t is 1 over 9. So applying this rule of indices, that if you have root a over b, this equals root a over root b. Applying this rule right here, what we have is this, that 2 raised to power root 1 over root 9 is equal to 8 raised to power 1 over 9, with this equal question mark. From here, what we have is this, we have 2, now root 1 is 1 over root 9 is 3, with this equal 8 raised to power 1 over 9 question mark. Now from here, don't forget that 8 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 2 raised to power 3. So 8 is equal to 2 raised to power 3. So from here, we have 2 raised to power 1 over 3. With this equal, 8 is now in bracket 2 raised to power 3, or raised to power 1 over 9. So with this equal question mark. Now applying this rule, that if you have in bracket a raised to power b, or raised to power c, this equals a raised to power b times c. Applying this rule right here, what we then have is this, we have 2 raised to power 1 over 3, with this equal 2 raised to power 3 times 1 is 3 over 9. So this equal question mark. Now from here, we have 2 raised to power 1 over 3 equals to 2 raised to power 3 here 1, 3 here 3. So 1 over 3. Okay, good. Now this can be simplified further, applying this rule, that if you have a raised to power 1 over n, this equals the nth root of a. So applying this right here, this becomes cube root of 2 raised to power 1 is equal to the cube root of 2 raised to power 1. So this becomes the cube root of 2 equals the cube root of 2. So as you can see, this means that the second value of t, that t2, which equals 1 over 9, right here, is the correct solution. Okay, so that means that the two solutions that we got are the correct solutions for the question. Okay, so with this, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.